Apparently, a passenger plane's PA system was hacked. And YouTuber Emerson Collins posted a video about this. Now, I will share with you the audio only. Listen to the audio as he highlights the plane's entertainment system.
Ladies and gentlemen, we realize there is an extremely irritating sound coming over the public announcements. The flight deck is trying to troubleshoot, trying to turn it off. So please be patient with us. We know this is a very odd anomaly and none of us are enjoying it. So we do appreciate your attention just for a few more moments so we figure out how to turn it off. Thank you.
Still going. I guess that guy was having problems with his Steam Deck. Oh, wait. Okay. I can fix this. I know what the problem is. Sir, please stop using Windows and try a Chromebook.